Is your asus ux8406m not turning on? We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. A laptop not turning on could be caused by a faulty power supply or internal components. In many cases, the motherboard might need a replacement. We'll diagnose the issue to get it fixed quickly. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.